Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever worked with big spreadsheets in Google Sheets and found yourself endlessly scrolling to reach the very last row or column, you are definitely not alone. Today, I've got a super simple trick that's going to save you tons of time and effort. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to jump straight to the end cells in your sheets without all that clicking and dragging. Alright, let's jump right in. Imagine you're working with a huge data set. Maybe it's a sales report or a list of client names that goes on for hundreds or even thousands of rows. Scrolling all the way to the end takes ages and it's just not efficient. Thankfully, Google Sheets has a keyboard shortcut that will teleport you to the very edge of your data. Here, how it works. If you want to jump to the end of a row to the very last cell in the row that contains data, start by clicking anywhere in the row you want to check. Now on Windows or Chromebook, simply hold down the Control key and tap the left arrow on your keyboard. If you're on a Mac, use the Command key instead of Control, so Command plus the left arrow. Give it a try. The cursor will instantly skip all the empty cells and land you at the farthest left point of your data in that row. It's like taking the express elevator instead of climbing every single step. Now maybe you want to scroll all the way down to the last row of your data. Let's say you're tracking expenses or project tasks and need to reach the final entry fast. All you have to do is press Control and the down arrow together. For Mac users, it's Command and the down arrow. You'll see your cursor fly straight down to the very bottom of your filled data, no matter how long your list is. This trick is a total time saver, especially when you're working with big reports or importing new information. And just to clarify, these shortcuts don't just take you to the absolute end of the entire sheet. They specifically jump to the end of where your data reaches in that direction. So if you have a gap or break in your data, pressing the shortcut stops your cursor at the first empty cell it finds. Think of it like running straight to the next brick wall instead of all the way through an empty hallway. Don't worry if it doesn't seem to work at first. Make sure your cursor is inside the sheet and double-check you're pressing the right keys for your device. Sometimes it might take a moment, especially if you're dealing with really large files, but just give it a second and you'll see it zip to the end. And there you have it. With these keyboard shortcuts, you can navigate your Google Sheets more efficiently than ever. It's a small trick, but honestly, once you get used to it, you'll wonder how you ever worked without it. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and let me know down in the comments if you have any questions or want to see more Google Sheets tips. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy, time-saving tutorials just like this one. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.